Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can delete all Facebook activity history at once on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, simply open the application, make sure that you are logged into your account, and from here simply tap on the menu bar right here. So after doing that, tap on this gear-like icon, then we'll get to the settings and privacy, and then tap on see more in account center. Then after doing that, here you'll get the option of your information and permissions. Tap on it. And then you can see the option of your activity of Meta Technologies. Tap on that. And then you can get the option of clear previous activity. If you simply tap on it just like this, here you can get the option of clear. Simply tap on clear just like this. And then tap on clear previous activity. And just like this, here you can see we have now successfully deleted all of our Facebook activity at once on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.